Learn English to Hindi emotions, apprehension 2.
Shanta.
Welcome to the Emotional Weather Report. Hi, you glorious language adventurer. Today you will learn Hindi words for the feelings that visit your brain before exams, after coffee, and during dramatic life moments. Imagine your mind as a weather app. On Monday, dark clouds of
Aashankā.
drift in. By lunch, a drizzle of
Chinta.
appears. Then a fog called
Sandeh.
covers the road. But wait, through the clouds comes sunshine.
Aasha.
Soon the full forecast upgrades to
Aashāvād.
you pack your bag with,
Tatparta.
march ahead with,
Dृढ़ संकल्प.
and finally sit like a wise potato monk in total.
Shanta.
Yes, even potatoes can achieve inner peace. Meet the nervous trio. Let us start with the feelings that make your eyebrows do strange gymnastics. You have felt these before, probably while opening an email that begins with, just checking in. Apprehension in Hindi is
Aashankā.
it is that uneasy feeling before something uncertain happens. Example, before opening the exam results, she felt.
Aashankā.
Worry in Hindi is
Chinta.
this is the mind pacing around in circles wearing tiny slippers. Example, too much
Chinta.
can ruin sleep. Doubt in Hindi is
Sandeh.
this feeling stands at a crossroads and says, but what if? Example, I have
Sandeh.
about this plan. Quick memory trick.
Aashankā.
Is fearful expectation.
Chinta.
Is ongoing worry, and
Sandeh.
is uncertainty or doubt. A tiny drama at the tea stall. Now you will hear the words inside a mini-story. Relax and enjoy it. No acting skills required, though dramatic whispering is encouraged. Ravi stood at a tea stall, staring at his phone. Why are you frozen like a statue with bad Wi-Fi? His friend Meera asked. Ravi sighed. I have.
Aashankā.
About my interview result. Meera looked closer. And also a lot of.
Chinta.
Clearly, your tea has become cold from waiting. Ravi nodded. Yes, and I have.
Sandeh.
2. Maybe I answered the questions badly. Meera smiled and handed him fresh tea. Maybe, but maybe not. Keep some.
Aasha.
Ravi took a breath. The tea was warm, the world seemed less scary, and for one whole minute he stopped arguing with imaginary disasters. From hope to hero mode. Good news, the emotional movie now changes genre. We are leaving the land of doom and entering the kingdom of brave optimism. Hope in Hindi is
Aasha.
it is the candle in the dark, the tiny yes in a room full of maybe not. Example, I still have.
Aasha.
Optimism in Hindi is
Aashāvād.
this is bigger than hope. It is a general positive outlook, like your brain wearing sunglasses at sunrise. Example, her
Aashāvād.
inspired the whole team. Readiness in Hindi is
Tatparta.
this means being ready now, not ready after 3 snacks and a nap. Example, the rescue team showed great
Tatparta.
determination in Hindi is
Dृढ़ संकल्प.
this is strong resolve, the inner voice that says, nope, I am continuing. Example, with
दृढ़ संकल्प.
small steps become big results. The Great Umbrella Philosophy. Here comes a silly memory scene. If it makes you laugh, excellent. If it makes you groan, also excellent, because now you will remember it. Picture an umbrella giving a motivational speech. First it trembles with
Aashankā.
because the clouds look scary. Then it falls into
Chinta.
because the wind is strong. Then it has
Sandeh.
and wonders, am I even a good umbrella? But suddenly it finds
Aasha.
maybe I can still help someone stay dry. That grows into
Aashāvād.
actually, I am fabulous in weather emergencies. It snaps open with
Tatparta.
faces the storm with
दृढ़ संकल्प.
and at the end stands peacefully in the corner in full
Shanta.
If an umbrella can do this, honestly, you are doing great. Say it with me. Now repeat the words after hearing them in a clean rhythm. Give each one a little personality. Apprehension.
आशंका,
Worry.
चिंता,
Doubt.
संदेह,
Hope.
आशा,
Optimism.
आशावाद,
Readiness.
तत्परता,
Determination.
दृढ़ संकल्प,
Calmness.
शांतता.
Mini quiz, maximum drama. Time for a quick quiz. No pressure. Well, maybe just enough pressure to stop you from becoming a decorative houseplant. Which Hindi word means worry? Answer.
चिंता,
Which Hindi word means doubt? Answer.
संदेह,
Which Hindi word means hope? Answer.
आशा,
Which Hindi word means optimism? Answer.
आशावाद,
Which Hindi word means readiness? Answer.
तत्परता.
Which Hindi phrase means determination? Answer.
दृढ़ संकल्प,
Which Hindi word means calmness? Answer.
शांतता.
And which one means apprehension? Answer.
आशंका.
You're commanding. You made it through the whole emotional roller coaster without screaming into a pillow. That deserves respect. Today you traveled from
आशंका, चिंता,
and
संदेह,
to
आशा, आशावाद, तत्परता, दृढ़ संकल्प,
and finally.
शांतता.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing these Hindi words out loud, use them in tiny daily sentences, and come back tomorrow with curiosity, courage, and maybe tea.